Now, I've always loved chocolate, but this chocolate is just wow. Our beautiful entry door that's fiberglass with its mosaic style and black tinted side lights. That's not even the best part. Follow me. Of course, we had to do matching garage doors with slim windows that's also black tinted to complement the entry door. Take a look.
Shaking their ass like